Alright, we're back with another unboxing, and this one is also an eBay purchase from a company called Hypnotic Gems. And this is how it comes. Hypnotic Gems. So there's 3 companies in a row that package in these 1-pound bags, all with a little label like this, and it was Digging Dolls, Hypnotic Gems, and Fantasia Mining. I wonder if they're all the same company under different labels, because this is awful coincidental. They're all set up exactly the same. Let's see, this one actually has it labeled as Moonstone Rough, which is better than Fantasia Mining, which didn't have them labeled at all. Okay, so we've got some Moonstone, 2. This is supposed to be tan and orange Moonstone. This is the tan and the orange Moonstone. We've got 2 packages of this. This is the petrified wood. They were nice enough to label that one. And let's see, I think we have 2 pounds of this, so there should be another bag. Petrified wood. Yep, this one. Got some nice light colors in here, some darker ones. That'll tumble pretty. Then we have green volcanic rough. Very interested to see what this green volcanic rough comes out to be. From the other company we got coffee volcanic. So we got 2 interesting colors. We'll see how it goes. And peach adventurine. I think we've now got every color of adventurine out there. And they were nice enough to do this exact same thing that Digging Dolls did. They're all out of the same company, or all out of Ohio. They gotta be the same company. And then this should be our black jasper rough. I'm going to open this one up if I can get it open with one hand. Here is our black jasper. Let's get it wet. Woo. That's going to tumble pretty. Okay, that's it for eBay. I have another couple of small orders from Kingsley North and the Rock Shed, and I'm not sure we'll get to those today. Okay, see you soon. Okay, this is another eBay buy. This is from Fantasy Mining. Again, well packaged. Very nice. But even though it's nice and pretty, it doesn't tell me what it is. So, well packaged doesn't help me if I don't know what the rough is. I'm not seeing a packing slip either. That is. I purchased so much stuff I have no idea what it is. Looks like these are little 1-pound packages. But without having a packing slip, I don't know what I ordered. So that's, on the bottom, here we go. Alright, I feel better now. So we have zebra dorite, which I'm assuming is this right here. There's the third pound of it. Okay, and then we have, natural landscape jasper. I believe. I don't know. It might be this one. So we have the zebra dorite that I just showed you. There's natural landscape jasper, spiritite rough, and pastel jasper. So I'm assuming this is the pastel. This must be the, I don't freaking know which is which. This must be the spiritite, because we only bought, no, we bought 3 pounds. What did we buy just 1 pound of? This is the zebraite right here, because this is only 1 pound. And then we have 1 pound of natural landscape jasper. You tell me which one's which. Because then we have 3 pounds of spiritite and 3 pounds of pastel. Those are both say AJJ on them. AJS. But you know, all the pretty labeling in the world isn't going to help if we don't know what's inside the bag. So that's my only ding for them. Otherwise, the contents looks really beautiful. Okay, this was from Fantasia Mining off eBay. Okay, we'll be back.